What's going on, guys? Welcome on to today's video, and today I'm going to take you through the 5 things I love about my KTM 690 SMC 2021 model. So then, in no particular order, the first thing I love about this bike is the looks. It is aesthetically pleasing. I think the colour scheme and the way it looks is on point. If you watched my previous video of the 5 things I hate about the 690, the front, the dash area, the headlights is one of the big things, but the overall looks of the bike I think are on point. So hitting up at number 2, the thing I love about this bike is the brakes. We have got Brembo's front and rear, and I tell you what, if you want to do some endos, these brakes are going to get you to do those tricks. My only massive concern with the braking on this, on a hard acceleration, as you can see, is that dive at the front end. It really does dive. I took out the 1290 Super Adventure the other week, and that had the anti-dive, which I've never had before, but actually I find it works really nicely, and it will just stop that initial bite going down the suspension. But with this bike, it has got quite a lot of suspension travel, so you are going to find it does dive a fair amount. Coming in at number 3 is the flickability. This bike is light, it's nimble, and it just goes where you want it to. I've not taken this bike on track yet, but if I was, I've no doubt it would do amazing getting around those corners. And coming in at number 4, this bike, around these B roads, you can have fun without losing your license. That's always my biggest bugbear with the sports bikes, even the 600s. To have fun on those type of bikes, you need to be going fast. So to feel like you're getting the most out of the bikes, you want to be pushing it. Whereas this, you're pushing it at 50, 60 miles an hour and you're enjoying yourself. You don't feel like you want to be pushing it into the triple figures, which a lot of time on a sports bike you do. So for me, that's definitely a plus. And finally, at number 5 is the modifications that you can do to this bike. Not only for this specific bike, but the amount that KTM allow you to do on their range, I think, is next to none. So as many of you know, I struggle with this seat, so went to my KTM and I bought their Power Parts comfort seat. So far it's doing its job, but we'll see. Get some more miles on the bum and we'll see how it's doing. Thank you very much for watching today's video, guys. As always, if you have liked this, please make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Make sure to stay tuned for more ride and review videos just like this. Until the next one, ride safe.